Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use a custom template inside the mega menu. We're going to go to the back end of the website, Appearance, Theme Dashboard, Theme Features, scroll down, and we're going to activate the mega menu module, as well as the Templates Builder module. We're going to go to Botiga Templates to create a new template. I'm going to add a new template here. Let's call it Mega Menu Column. And we can add items to it. Let's say a heading, a spacer, a button, maybe. We're going to select content block here, and we just need to publish it. Now I'm going to go to menus. I already have a mega menu here. Here it is. So I'm going to select this column heading, go to Botiga menu options, and from content type I'm going to select custom content block and select the template I've just created. Save it, close, save the menu, go back to the front end and refresh, and here it is. This is my template and these are the regular items. Of course, if I want to, I can remove these items, so I can just have my custom template. And here it is. If you're using Elementor, you can do the same thing with Elementor. So just go back to Botiga Templates here. Edit your mega menu column. Click on Edit with Elementor. Remove the Gutenberg content. Add a new section here. You can add any widget you want. You can add Google Maps, for example. Just update it. Now let's refresh the page, see what we got. And here it is. A nice map right into your menu. That's it. Thank you for watching.